What is up? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm gonna make a layer of fidget spinner, means the tower of fidget spinners. So let's get started. Okay guys, so let's get started. So the first fidget spinner is this one, and this is the pink fidget spinner. And the third one is the heavy fidget spinner. This is good. So let's get started. Ooh. Oh shit. It fell down. Whoa, did you see that, guys? Oh my god! Oh my god, oh my god! Oh my god, guys! That's so awesome! Oh my god! Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video and please subscribe. Stay tuned to my channel and subscribe. Oh, that's awesome. Please subscribe, please.